What is up, guys? In today's video, we are going to be going in horror. And don't worry, because Miss 6'7" Monkey's here. I'm going to touch you. I'm going to touch you. Oh, you want to go? You want to go? You want to? So, anyways, in this video, yeah, we're just in horror. And I'm going to do a backflip. My battery pack almost fell off.
I thought you actually flipped. Bro,
Okay, let's go down here.
oh, you're down there?
Yo, I see something. I see something. Oh, you suck. You suck. Oh. Get juked. Get juked. Oh. Hold on, give me a heart attack.
He's coming to me.
Whoa. I'm going down the other way. In her face. The mirror of your pee-pee. I don't know. I'm not. Oh, I see him. I'm just behind his ass. Oh, I recommend you don't go down the first one, the dark area, because he is coming for you. Wait, doesn't that mean he's gonna turn around? Oh! Watch this 6'7". Oh!
Look what I was doing to this rock.
What? Hey, yo! Watch this. Wall running. Now watch this guy get juked. Oh, okay, I did not do that. In her butt. Get juked, my fellow monkey. Okay, I'm hacking. I just lost my controller. My controller disconnected. My controller. Bro, stop being a tryhard.
Let me see the jump scare.
Dude, I have to get far away from him. Watch it.
Hey, come to me if you like big animals.
Hey! Bro, why me?
Follow one of us if you like big animals.
Yeah. Follow me if you're racing. Oh.
I recommend you not to come over there.
No! I didn't know where I was.
Bro, it's just a whole black space.
Bro, he camp spawns. Watch us glitch. Ooh! I jumped straight into his ass, bro. Oh, you died. I'm going down. In her butt. Oh! Watch this juke. Oh! Come get me. Oh! Broken ankle. Oh, damn.
Come and get me, N-word.
I'm gonna go down here.
No! Don't act up. He's chasing me. And I'm coming back.
And it's very dark and black in here. Pause.
He's gonna teleport where you are.
I don't know where I am, and I just saw him. Oh.
Big N-words. Look, come back straight. Go back straight.
Oh, I
saw you.
found my area. I don't know where I am.
Do you see any light?
Yo, I think I just found a whole entire new area that we haven't seen before.
No, you should take.
Here, I'll come back, because I know where spawn is. I'm coming back to spawn.
But the banana's trying to clap me. I'm holding on to the banana.
Bro, where are you? Where are you? Damn, she's a good girl with a good love. Oh!
Bro,
Come over here.
my friend about. Wanna know what I scared my friend about?
What?
KKK.
Just keep going down.
Going to.
Don't take a left. Just keep going down. I mean a right. Just keep going over here.
I swear. If
Look,
that
we
monkey-
unlock a whole entire new area. We don't think we've seen this area before. Where was I? This isn't where I was. I was in a whole another.
He's coming. He's coming.
What? Is he?
Oh, never mind. He's just stuck right there. Come if you're gay.
Come if you're
Oh,
gay.
no.
Come if you're gay.
Bro, he just went in the dark.
Okay. Now we're here by ourselves, so you keep a lookout. Come if you're gay. Come if you're gay. Oh! He's coming. Dude, I think we're being chased. Oh. Run!
I thought.
Oh! Mommy! Oh! I'm being.
Don't put my banana up me.
Oh no!
Help!
I don't know where I am.
My banana is going inside me.
How do I get home? How do I get home?
I'm trying.
What?
My banana was going inside of me.
Bro. Hey yo. My favorite map is horror, to be honest.
What?
What? Why are you going what? It's not that weird.
If you don't catch me, then you're gay.
Caught you. Caught. What did you? And I know caught. Let's go to shop.
You say shot or shot?
I'm joking. Let's not go to shop. Cause remember this is about horror. What if we like tried to ditch?
What do you mean?
I'm walking beside the monster. Oh, how long can I last with a monster chasing my ass? How long? I'm in the lobby. No joke.
Bro, why is your controller disconnected?
I threw my controller.
I want you to be mine again, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna just take you to the monster.
I think my dad's trying to have a nap, so that was horrible. Ohio.
Ohio, Sigma boy. Ohio, Sigma boy. Ohio, Sigma boy.
Get bananas. Oh. I'm coming back.
Come back.
Now, what is bro doing?
Come to me if you like big enemies.
Bro, why is he locked onto me, bro? I jumped right into him, bro. What kind of juke was that? Stop being so scared and coming back, bro. Watch this. He still hasn't realized I'm here.
Back too fast.
Shove the banana up there.
Turn around if you're gay.
Oh, he turned around. That is not coincidence.
Come to me if you're gay.
Oh!
Come to me if you're gay. Oh!
No. You could jump over his ass.
Boom. Imagine he just spawns right there in front of us.
Watch this. I'm gonna jump over his ass. Okay, never mind.
No, no, he's chasing me. Go back.
Bro,
go
stop
back,
running
go
back to spawn. Damn, bro got his ass juked. I'm at spawn. I'm just chilling.
He just locked on me.
I'm just behind one of the computers.
So he's coming to you.
What?
He's coming to you.
Oh no! Oh, oh, you bro, come back to the freaking monster lobby or whatever it's called. Because you always
The monster lab. He just locked on.
Why does he clap clap clap?
Yeah, I'm gonna call him the clap clap monster.
Bro, he just clapped. Dude, he can't get me. He can't walk over the computers. Wait, doesn't that mean you can just chill under the computers and he can't get us?
No, he's chasing me. He's chasing me. Do not come. He's chasing me.
Oh!
I told you.
Just go under the computer.
He's locked on me.
Just go on the computer. You're safe.
Why is he set up the computer?
Alright, I'm gonna test out if it's standing on the freaking computer will actually help. It does not help, and he just kissed me.
He just gets stuck.
Damn, oh, chase me if you're gay. Oh, I threw my controller! I saw you.
I threw my controller. No, I went out the map.
What? Where's your ass, bro? Oh. Alright, well, my friend has to leave and rejoin, so I guess it's just me and you. Bro, it's so weird. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, I don't know where my friend is. For some reason, he's not joining back in server 4s. So I guess it's just me and you. I mean me and yours, so. Oh, juked the monster. Oh, I think my friend's back in Dakota.
I'm here.
Uh-oh. Oh!
Yo, what is happening? He just went to the wall. Run. He just went to the wall.
Get juked. What is over here? And then broom ball. Ooh, broom ball. I jumped into his ass. Yo, his animation's pretty cool because he grabs you and then kills you with his saws.
Yo, he's stuck in the wall.
Oh, damn. Can't you just stay on a lamppost?
He's right there. So I feel like he's gonna get flung over here to me and you at the same time.
For me, he's standing above you. Oh, please don't chase me. Oh, bro. He's standing on you, bro. Stop it.
Yo, the monster's right there for me.
Stop it.
Yo, the monster's just coming to me.
Stop walking towards me, bro. Well, you can't really find me anymore because I'm gonna go.
Yo, you were not lying.
He's whoa! You scared it.
I told you.
we were doing the freaking walk, like
I
the
can
TikTok.
spawn kill you. Look at my head.
What? Well,
Wait, is he still on my head?
wait, I'm just gonna juke him
No,
and
he's
he's just
right there
gonna
for me.
walking, me and the devil, walking side by side.
Is he in front of you?
Yeah. Oh! Me and the devil, walking balls by ball. Oh, damn, bro. Oh, bro can't touch me. Oh.
He's coming. Do not come. He's coming. Do not come.
I'm going down the other end.
What kind of end?
That sounded.
When you get separated, I get a chance to
Oh!
on a call.
I went out of the map for a second.
Wait, we're on a call though.
So what?
You remember what happened when we were on a call?
No, we were on the call last video we made, and we could still hear us. We're in an app call right now, so. Do 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 do.
Let me go back in app. I was never on
Hey, what's up, bro?
I was never on app call.
Bro, stop trying to touch me with your dirty ass hands, bro. Oh, bro. I'm gonna shove my banana.
Bro, don't go. He's coming. He's coming.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Yeah, I kind of want
The
to
way
do
we just
parkour.
walk.
I kind of want to do parkour.
Where is he?
Over there.
I hear his clapping.
He's coming. He's coming. Bro, I was joking. I was joking. Bro, I heard the noise in my mouth. I heard the
What?
jump scare noise in my mouth.
Why are you leaving? Alright.
Should we go?
My friend left. Why'd you leave? Wait, should we try hearing him? Yeah, I hear him right here. I think his ass is following us.
It's over here.
Oh no, I fell!
Imagine he found me. Bro.
Juked. 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 Oh, damn. Can never juke twice, am I right?
Let's try to beat parkour too. Because I want to get the cloud hat. Bro, I just heard a monster.
Uh-oh. Over here?
Wait, bro, get out of horror map. I've never seen this thing come.
L, L, L. Oh, oh, oh.
Come out of horror map.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. What?
Follow me. I never seen this map before. I think it's a building.
No, we'll do this map later, bro. We'll do this map later. Okay. Oh. I think that's really all. I don't think he wants to do the outro with me. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Bro,
Damn.
I wish there's a shooting map so you can shoot you can have a banana and shoot use the banana to shoot people. And then you open the banana and then it starts shooting out. Every time when you shoot it, it makes a monkey noise.
Ding!
And I can tell, you can tell Sharky that.
Alright, well, this is the outro. Goodbye, guys. And
Don't forget this.
oh yeah, remember we have to fight?
Yeah.
I
got my boom, 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 boom.
Oh,
Squirt, 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 squirt,
squirt.
squirt.
Now you're knocked out. Alright, I just knocked out his Goodbye, people. We love you very much.